In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover a Gmail account using recovery phone number. If you're locked out of your Gmail and you still have access to the phone number you set for recovery, this walkthrough will get you back in quickly and safely. Make sure that phone is nearby and able to receive text messages and that you have a reliable internet connection. Let's get started. Open your preferred web browser, then in the search bar, type Gmail account recovery. From the results, select the official link from support.google.com. This is Google's help site, and using the official page helps you avoid lookalike links or scams. Once the page loads, scroll down until you see the option that says Recover your Google or Gmail account and click it. You'll be taken to the account recovery flow. In the first field, enter the email address or the phone number of the account you're trying to recover, then choose Next. On the following screen, you'll be asked for the recovery phone number linked to that account. Carefully type that number exactly as it's on your account and click Next. Google will send a verification code by text to that number. Keep an eye on your messages, and when the code arrives, enter it into the box on the screen and select Next. For security, never share this code with anyone claiming to be support. Once the code is accepted, you'll be directed to create a new password for your Gmail. Choose a strong, unique password that you haven't used on this account before. A good approach is to combine upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols in a phrase that's easy for you to remember but hard for others to guess. Type the new password, confirm it in the second box to make sure there are no typos, and continue. That's it. Your Gmail account is now recovered and you can sign back in using your new password. If this guide helped you, remember to like the video and subscribe for more clear step-by-step Gmail tips and tutorials.